Hey, good morning. It's Michael Shalinsky, sometimes known as Jomo Dad. I guess maybe one of these days I'll have to explain that nickname. But anyways, today I'm going to show you a prime example of why you need to get your spider plants. They get root packed inside of here. So show you why when you put it in a fresh pot of soil, how much better it looks. Look at that baby. Okay, there's a few of them in here, so I could pull those out of there and put them in separate pots, no problem. I love spider plants. You gotta keep them on it. You gotta hang them up though. You put them down on the ground and they're gonna grow and grow and grow and grow, and then it becomes a weeding problem. We're set up in the shade. It's really hot out today, so I suggest doing it early and, if possible, do it in the shade and, wear a hat. I got this hat, I ordered it. It came from Africa. And I trimmed down the brim and I put in a nice sweatband inside of it. And I like it. You're supposed to just get it wet and form it to your head. They're pretty cool. So anyways, this has got 3 different plants inside of it. So if I wanted to break these out of here and make them separate plants, that would be easy. But we're just gonna let them grow in here a little bit longer. So basically, all you gotta do is pop it out of the pot there, and you can see here how root bound this thing is. Those roots are all tied up there. So you just get yourself some clippers like this, and you can trim that off of there. I don't know if it'll grow a plant, to tell you the truth. It's possible. You could stick it in some dirt and see if it starts growing plants, but I'll show you how to propagate those later because they're really easy. I'm just using that empty pot there for my trash for now, but you just gotta go in and clean some of this up here. So what happens is it gets full of roots and then it's not pulling any nutrients from the dirt. Alright, that should be good enough. See, now if you look at it, you put it back in there, there's lots of empty space. So we're gonna go ahead and put some more dirt in there. I got some fresh potting soil, the kind with the moisture control. I don't know that much about different soils and whatnot, but I just buy whatever they recommend over at the hardware store. These are just some of the items I have in my Vita shop. Sorry about the lame URL there. Okay, and then the other thing you can do is just pull these brown ones off. You just pluck the brown ones. Okay, that's it. Put it back in the hanger here. I got this potting table from my friend. It's not really a potting table, but it'll do for now. You get it back on the chains here, and then you can move this stuff around. Balance it out. And then rehang it. You can move these around so they balance out. And then go hang it back up. And then check on it. Next time you see it, it'll be green and healthy. Okay, so we had a little pup fall off, and I went and clipped some other pups off the healthier plants there, just to show you how to propagate these real quick. I got these little seeding cups. You can use a pot if you want to. I don't know how these are going to work. I've really never done it before, but I'm going to give them a try and see how they work. At least, I don't know how big of a problem moisture is going to be to get these to root, but we'll find out. So basically, all you got to do is put the rooted parts into the dirt, and then get them some water, and then keep an eye on them. All right, you see the roots here? Just get those roots here into the dirt. Propagating succulents is really easy too. All you have to do is take these, you just clip them off and stick them in the dirt. We got these coming too. Okay, you don't have to do them that tiny either. You can trim off larger pieces like this, okay, and put them in larger pots just to get them started. And then they can take these out of those pots and put them in the ground if they want to later when they get bigger, or they'll just grow here in this pot. So just clean off some of this dead leaves here. Stick it in the dirt. Give it water. Okay, that's another option. You know, you can make arrangements of any kind. Okay, here's a big chunk of fire stick I took off the top of one of the plants that was overgrown, and I just trimmed the branches off. Be careful this sap. You don't want to get it in your eyes, and you probably should wear gloves when you're handling it, but I'm really careful. And you know, you just stick it in the dirt. That's it. You know, this is a temporary pot. You know, if you wanted to make an arrangement out of it, you can make an arrangement out of it. These will just stick in the dirt here and hang off the edges, and those should start growing no problem. Okay, so I'm still nursing a shoulder here, so this is all I could do today. I'm starting to get hot and sore, so I'm gonna go take a break. But hopefully all of these will root, and she can either replant them, or she can use them in the pots that they're in, or do whatever she wants with them. And I cleaned up my yard and saved her some money at the same time. All right, well, thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and click the bell if you want to get notifications. And today I shot this all on my iPhone with the little Joby remote control here to turn the video on and off, but I have it on a regular tripod and the built-in microphone, and I just plan on using iMovie to clip it all together. All right, thank you, see you later.